Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate eBay Seller Hub Identity Verification easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the identity verification process in eBay Seller Hub, log in to your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the Seller Hub by clicking on the My eBay tab. From the drop-down, select Selling to access the Seller Hub dashboard. Next, look for any notifications or prompts indicating the need for identity verification. Click on the notification to start the verification process. You may be prompted to enter your phone number for verification purposes. Provide your phone number and choose whether you'd like to receive a text or a call. Once you've made your selection, click on Send Code. Check your phone for the verification code sent by eBay. Enter the verification code in the designated field on your screen. After entering the code, click Verify. If successful, you'll move on to the next step of the identity verification process. You may be required to upload specific documents to confirm your identity. Ensure that your documents are clear and legible. Common documents include a government-issued ID or proof of address. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents. Once uploaded, review your information for accuracy before submitting. Click the Submit button to complete the verification process. You will receive a confirmation message once your documents have been submitted. eBay may take some time to review your submission, so be patient. Monitor your email for updates regarding your verification status. If additional information is needed, eBay will reach out to you directly. Once verified, you'll be notified, and your selling privileges will be restored. That's it. You've successfully completed the identity verification in eBay Seller Hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.